Hello everyone and welcome back to the Card Guy. In today's video, we're reviewing this card in detail to find out whether it's worth getting in 2026. We'll cover its benefits, fees, rewards, travel perks, drawbacks, and overall value, so make sure to watch till the end. So you've probably seen this card advertised everywhere as a lifetime free premium debit card. But as we all know, in the world of personal finance, free is rarely ever just free, right? We have to look closely at the opportunity cost here. Because is a zero-fee card actually a good deal if it requires you to lock up 25,000 rupees in a savings account? Let's find out. Okay, let's dive into our agenda for today. We're going to start with the overview and eligibility, then move into the perks and insurance, discuss the catch, run a real-world value calculation, compare it against its competitors, and finally, deliver the verdict. Let's kick things off with Section 1, Overview and Eligibility. Right off the bat, you need to know that you literally can't just apply for this debit card on its own. It's directly tied to specific premium savings accounts at IDFC FIRST Bank. So you've got to open either the Future First savings account or the Women Power 25K AMB account. And the golden rule here is AMB, or average monthly balance. You absolutely must maintain a minimum of 25,000 rupees in the account every single month. That zero fee label? Yeah, it's entirely conditional on you maintaining this specific float. If you drop below it, the bank is going to hit you with non-maintenance penalties. Moving right along to Section 2, Major Perks and Insurance Limits. Look at this number, 1 crore rupees. This is the absolute headline feature of the IDFC Visa Signature Card. It comes with a massive 1 crore rupee air accident insurance cover. To get this level of protection, you usually have to look at high-end, fee-carrying credit cards, not a conditional free debit card. If you purchase your airline ticket using this specific card, you are covered. Now, what's really crucial here is the personal accident cover of 35 lakh rupees. Why does this matter so much right now? Well, if you look at the wider banking landscape, banks are aggressively cutting costs everywhere. For instance, Kotak Mahindra Bank abruptly removed all their debit card insurance back in July 2025. IDFC FIRST Bank, on the other hand, has kept this massive 35 lakh rupee safety net completely intact, which is a huge differentiator for them. But hey, it's not just disaster insurance. The lifestyle benefits give you immediate, tangible utility. You're getting 8 free domestic airport lounge visits a year, so that's 2 per quarter. If you drive regularly, you get a 1% fuel surcharge waiver at literally any petrol pump nationwide. Plus, you get absolutely unlimited free cash withdrawals at any IDFC First ATM, and a very generous 6 lakh rupee daily purchase limit. These are real premium features you'll actually use day to day. But hold on a second, because there is a massive condition you really need to be aware of. To actually be eligible to claim that 1 crore or 35 lakh insurance, you have to activate it. Step 1, make at least one point-of-sale transaction of 500 rupees or more. Step 2, you have to do this in each of the 3 calendar months before a claim. I literally cannot stress this enough. If you just toss this card into a desk drawer and never swipe it, your massive insurance policy is completely void. You have to keep it active. All right, that brings us to Section 3, the catch. And it's all about missing rewards. Here is the elephant in the room, folks. There are 0 permanent reward points and absolutely 0 ongoing cashback for your everyday spending. Sure, there's a tiny welcome offer of 10% cashback up to 250 rupees on your first spend, and maybe some periodic partner discounts on Book My Show or dining. But for your regular, everyday expenses, your groceries, utility bills, your morning coffee, you're going to earn absolutely nothing. So you really have to understand this trade-off. You're getting premium travel perks like lounge access and incredible peace of mind with that insurance. But you're sacrificing the cash back you could be earning elsewhere. If you spend around 20,000 rupees a month on an alternate card, like the Access Priority or HDFC Easy Shop Platinum, you'd be earning roughly 2,400 to 3,600 rupees a year in pure cashback or rewards. With the IDFC Signature, you forfeit that cash completely. Let's put some numbers to this in Section 4, Real-World Value Calculation. Let's actually do the math here to see the true value for an everyday user. If you use all 8 lounge visits and we value those at 500 rupees each, that's 4,000 rupees. If you spend 5,000 rupees a month on fuel, the waiver saves you 600 rupees a year. Avoiding other bank ATM fees by using IDFC's unlimited access saves you about 1,200. And you avoid the typical 500 rupee annual fee found on most premium cards. Add all that up, and the total estimated value is over 7,800 rupees annually. And that's without even factoring in what it would cost to buy a standalone 35 lakh personal accident insurance policy. You can essentially extract nearly 8,000 rupees of value without earning a single reward point. Which leads us to Section 5, Direct Competitor Comparisons. When we look at the wider market, things get pretty interesting. IDFC absolutely crushes cards like the Kodak Pay Shop More, which costs 250 rupees a year, but offers no lounge access, no rewards, and as of 2025, zero insurance. However, IDFC faces some intense competition from the Access Priority Platinum Debit Card. The Access Card also has zero fees and offers lounge access, but it actually gives you reward points on your spends. The catch with Access, its daily purchase limits are half of IDFC's, and its insurance just isn't quite as robust. Finally, let's wrap this up with Section 6, Final Verdict and Ideal User. To quickly recap the pros on our balance sheet, as long as you meet that 25,000 AMB, the card is lifetime free. You're getting unparalleled insurance coverage that simply doesn't exist on most debit cards. You get 8 complimentary domestic lounge visits, a massive 6 lakh purchase limit, and full zero liability protection if your card is ever compromised and reported promptly. But to balance the scales, we've got to remember the cons. That 25,000 rupee lockup is a pretty significant float. There's absolutely no everyday cashback. Also, the lounge access is domestic only, and it relies on IDFC's partner network, which isn't quite as expansive as Priority Pass, so smaller airports might be left out entirely. And if you travel internationally, standard Forex markups still apply. So let's break down exactly who this is for. Who should get it? Frequent domestic flyers, car owners who want that easy fuel waiver, and definitely anyone looking to switch away from Kodak after those insurance cuts. Who should avoid it? Cashback hunters who want to return on every grocery run, frequent international travelers who need zero Forex markup and global lounges, and users flying out of Tier 2 cities where the IDFC lounge network might not reach. Now, if you do decide to go for this, I've got a really critical pro tip for you based directly on the bank's issuance policies. When you open your Future First account, you need to explicitly ask the representative for the Visa Signature variant. If you don't specify, the bank might automatically issue you the Visa Platinum variant instead. The Platinum card sits on the exact same account tier, requires the exact same balance, but offers significantly fewer benefits. Do not accidentally downgrade yourself. Ultimately, the whole value proposition of the IDFC FIRST Visa Signature Debit Card boils down to this one fundamental philosophy. You are trading your everyday cashback for premium peace of mind and tangible travel perks. It's a defensive card designed to save you money on worst-case scenarios and travel fees, rather than an offensive card designed to earn you points. So, I'm going to leave you with this question. Does premium peace of mind outweigh the thrill of daily cashback for your specific wallet? Only you can decide. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Card Guy, and let me know in the comments which card you'd like reviewed next.